I am packing my bags, I am leaving. Think I'm going to Paris or Rome. I gotta get out of this god-awful place that I used to call my home. Maybe I'm going to London. Gotta find someplace new. I'll move to a dump in a faraway slum to help me forget about you.
Hey, kamusta? So today, it's the day we're gonna move out into my new studio. So I'm still quite pretty exhausted from yesterday on moving my things, so I'm going to take my time to arrange this all over again. And with that said, I hope you enjoy.
I will go anywhere. I just gotta get out of this town.
You know, this past 2 months is one of the hardest holdback from myself. Since the old one that we're staying before was like we're being kicked out, so we have no choice but to live instead of renting it over and over again. So I'm just super grateful that we're finally finished rebuilding this house. But these 2 months really take a toll on my mental health since I've been gone for YouTube like 2 or 3 months, I think, because I was too busy on checking out on the labor rebuilding this house since it's pretty far away. So I'd say I still can't believe that I finally get to have my own room. Ever since I started my YouTube journey, I've always been dreaming about having a place like this. And now, after all the hard work, it really feels like that dream has finally gone true. And honestly, I still can't believe that this is actually happening. So I also decided to display some of my paintings to the left side of my wall, turning my space into a little gallery. It adds personality, and of course, I'm just make sure that the room never feels boring. So now, it's finally done. Enjoy the reveal. So actually, my space isn't that big. But what's great about it is how spacious it feels thanks to the big windows. The sunlight floods in, making everything feel so bright and airy, and it gives the room a cozy welcome vibe that makes a perfect place to display my paintings. Okay, so before I continue this video, a big shout out to Filmora for partnering this video. So if you're a content creator who's been using the Filmora for a while now, there's a big update you should know about. You can now easily animate the sticker logos using a pen tool sticker on a path. This is an amazing tool where it lets you animate a sticker without needing any complicated software. You can start with the presets like neon lights, customize the colors, and with just a few small tweaks and some few adjustments, you can turn a boring sticker into a smooth animation directly to Filmora. So I would say I would definitely love to try this in my travel videos as well. And there we have the dynamic caption. So if you want a caption that automatically pops like this painting, like always, I start by applying the layer. The dynamic captions save me so much time. So this will automatically generate your caption and sync them perfectly to my voice. Plus, the animated style and the keyword highlights really help to hold your audience attention and make your videos way more engaging. And the best part, everything is done inside of Filmora. So if you want to take your videos to the next level, I highly recommend you checking this out. So a big thanks to Filmora for sponsoring this video. Okay, so for this sketch, honestly, it doesn't look that great because there are days when I get into this weird mode where I just rush everything, and today was kind of one of those days. It's also been about 2 weeks since I last drew, so maybe I'm just a bit rusty right now, or maybe I'm just overthinking it. You know, whenever I feel stuck with my art, I just simply go back with my comfort zone by just copying the whole reference to let go of overthinking and pressure. And as I keep going, I slowly rebuild my confidence and my hands begin to remember the techniques I've learned over the years. So that's usually how I find my way back to myself as an artist. So I've been working on this sketch all day long, so I wasn't expecting to be so perfect since it was just a practice. But I really hope you enjoy it. So that's it, folks. See you on the next one.
All those memories of you, they taunt me, but they're all I have left since you've gone. The longer I stay, there's no getting away. Gotta find someplace new to be alone. You'll be here with your friends and your family, all the loved ones that used to be mine. I'll be out of your way and out of your life, and I am going out of my mind. 'Tis the season to